about the 2026 Lucid Grand Air Touring in just 5 minutes. Now, the starting price for your 2026 Lucid Air Grand Touring is going to run you about $115,000 pure bone gristle with no bells and whistles. But if you want this joint fully stocked like the one we got, it's going to run you about $139,000. We got a flat bottom leather wrap steering wheel, and this joint's even heated, man. We got 0 to 60 in 3 seconds with a top speed of 168 miles an hour, baby. Not only does the seat design look real elegant and smooth, but it's just as comfortable as it looks, and it's also heated and cooled. But these seats are also highly adjustable. You could adjust them from the knobs on the side of the seat, or you could do it through your center console infotainment screen. And there are also massaging seats with 5 different types of massages and 3 different levels of intensity. Swipe up and the center console infotainment screen retracts into the dash, revealing this top level storage space. Now this EV sedan is gonna give you 820 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque with a total mile range of 446 miles. We got an all glass canopy roof to get a little photosynthesis on that skin. You need a little vitamin D in your life. We got a leather wrapped armrest with a removable storage tray, and below that, even more storage space. Come on, man. Now behind this retractable door right here, you got 2 cup holders, a wireless phone charger along with storage space, a USB-C charger, and a USB charger to match. Now you not only got analog climate controls, but you also got climate controls integrated within your center console infotainment screen, which is top level. We got 21-inch rims on all 4 corners, and them joints look mighty good if you ask me for an EV, but these joints can look even better if you get your Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Sheen and make your tires come to life like magic, baby, by clicking that link below the description and getting yours. Now at my height of 6'10", I got abundant headroom and legroom to match. Now you don't got a regular door handle up in this joint. You gotta pull a tab to get out this car. Now to both lock and unlock this car, all you gotta do is press your mini infotainment screen on the driver left-hand side, but it also has your auto defrost, headlight controls, along with your windshield wipers. Not only do you got both LED headlights and tail lights to match, it even gives you an LED light show every time you come to your car or leave this joint, man. Now every time you come to your whip, these door handles pop out to greet you, but every time you leave, they just go right back in there, easy peasy. Now all you gotta do is press a button right here on your center console infotainment screen to both open and close your front and rear trunk. That's top level. Now not only do we got abundant trunk space with a super wide opening, but we even got underground floor storage with even more abundant space. On the side, you have even more hidden storage space with a 12-volt charger, and on the other side, you have your charging cables with a deep cubby space. And if that's not enough abundant space and practicality for you, all you gotta do is pull this lever right here to lay down both back seats and get even more storage space. Now this front trunk is what really surprised me, because not only you got abundant space, but it's really wide, and under the floorboard is even more space, which is crazy. And get this, to close it, all you gotta do is press a button right here from the front trunk, and it's fast. Now this center console infotainment screen not only looks good and does cool things, but it also offers things such as seats for the driver and front seat passenger, including the massaging seats, themes to change the ambient lighting and vibe up in this joint, charging details, trip information, tire pressure, camera angles with 360-degree of views, your drive modes that include smooth, swift, and of course my favorite, sprint. Now you do have another infotainment screen above that offers wireless CarPlay, maps, and different things like that, but it pretty much mirrors whatever's on that center console infotainment screen. Now your digital gauge cluster cannot be reconfigured. It just looks real clean and professional at all times. Now this is my leg room at 6'10" with the driver's seat set for me. And here's my headroom. Wow, I am really surprised, Lucid. Y'all pulled that off. This is top level. All you gotta do is pull your window switch to get your shade shutter to go up and down. You got a leather wrapped armrest back here with an abundant amount of space, 2 cup holders, and you can even access the trunk from here. Now while you are comfortably sitting in the back of this sedan, even if you're as tall as me, it also offers things such as 2 kangaroo pouches for storage, 2 premium grab handles for the backseat passengers, along with 2 reading lights, 2 climate vents in the middle, 2 on the side, 2 USB-C chargers, a pull-down hidden storage compartment, your very own infotainment screen that controls all 3 of your heated back seats, along with your climate controls and your shade shutter for the rear window as well. All you gotta do is press a button to open your glove box. We got sun visors attached to your glass roof, but they also detach, extend, and they got a bright white LED light. Now when it comes to everyday drivability and comfort, you got the comfort most definitely, but then you even got the mile range. You got the lifters, this joint looks damn good. And on top of that, you got the performance. What more you need? Now that's everything I think you need to know about the 2026 Lucid Air Grand Touring in just 5 minutes.